Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Spindle Assembly. This spindle assembly is compatible with various deck lawnmowers, ranging in size from 42-inch up to 54-inch, exclusively from John Deere. A few popular models this spindle assembly will fit include the 100 series, specifically the LA110, LA120, LA140, X105, X115R, D100, and many others. Since this can work on lots of applications, please review the full list below to make sure it fits your mower or contact us. What a spindle assembly does is it makes sure that your cutting blades, which are attached on the bottom, are operating as smooth as possible for the absolute best cut of your lawn. And if you are hearing grinding noises from your blades or they are spinning unevenly, you may have a problem with your existing assembly. While this replacement spindle is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement. However, this one does have a redesigned internal mechanism for increased life expectancy. Included with this spindle are 4 new mounting bolts, a top and bottom lock nut, and of course a new Zerk grease fitting. Using basic tools, this is something that you can easily replace. After you do install and run for the first time, please double check obviously the mounting bolts and both lock nuts to make sure nothing loosened up. If you have any questions about this replacement spindle kit, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.